This is the fourth and final part of our craft review. Hey guys, it's Robsy, back with Paperless X, a channel dedicated to easing your digital transformation. If you're new to our channel, hello. Make sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you know each time we release a new video. And if you're already subscribed, fantastic human, welcome back. Craft can search your entire workspace, and I love how easy universal search is to find. The result previews are brilliant when you hover over them. They are the biggest and definitely most informative I have seen in a while. You can also search through your current document. However, the results don't stand out because the highlighter for your search results is subtle and very light. It won't pop anything out of the page, which I would argue is exactly what you need if you have colorful notes like mine. So let's hope the developers can make these stand out a bit more. Otherwise, one of the best search tools you have in a note-taking app. The term stands out more when you navigate to it, which is what I was expecting for all of them, and then have some sort of color differentiation after that. So we hope to see that. I like AI for calculations, it's really great with that. For our work, there's not much out there yet for AI to be useful, but still had to try the feature. In craft, you can do all sorts of different things with ChatGPT 3.5. Switching to 4.0 is also fairly simple if you prefer using that one. When you're happy with the response, you can add it to your notes very easily or even replace your selection. So, pretty much everything ChatGPT can do is easily accessible in the app. At this point, I am tired of complaining about developers adding AI to note-taking apps. The good thing is, you can simply just not use it. What's a note-taking app without collaboration? Craft has real-time collaboration where you can invite people to work on documents together. With permissions over who can see your documents and whether or not they can edit, what more can you ask for? Comments, reactions, the app has everything you need to work with others when you need to. I love the reactions, especially I know they're just emojis, but they're more fun than comments. We can at least appreciate that. Comments alone are great to have in any app that supports collaboration, but the ability to format them, that is just awesome. You can even add links to them. And once you've gone through all the comments, you can resolve them naturally. I wish there was a central place to view all the comments though, somewhere to go through them faster, because opening them one by one can become tiring when you have plenty to go through. Craft can publish your document online, and I love how much control you have over how it is presented and how people can interact with it. Unfortunately, the expiration date for your link is a paid feature. It's a very good reason to upgrade if you want your document to automatically disappear after a certain time. Stats are blocked as well. Some convincing reasons to upgrade or even try the paid version, at least for us. Another way to share your documents with others is by exporting them. Craft supports a lot of formats, and I love that the PDF you export looks exactly like your notes. For the free version, your export options are locked. Text-based note-taking apps always lock PDF exporting, which sucks because in most apps, this feature is free. They've set an industry standard for this niche, I suppose, so if you want to work with PDFs outside of the app, you'll have to upgrade to the paid version of Craft. You can also export to Word, export images, and Markdown documents, and those are also great to have. I'm more likely to export a PDF than any of these other formats. Craft syncs across your devices, but I didn't find any backup options. It shouldn't be hard to find. I always want to back up my notes in case something happens to the app or if I have one of my decluttering phases. A backup has saved me several times in the past, and it's one of the things I look for when considering if I should use an app. Craft is great. I love the app design. It is well thought out, and the features it packs are brilliant, especially for the free version. However, without a backup solution, I would be hesitant to use it. I wouldn't use any app actually if it doesn't have backup. Losing notes is not fun, and I would appreciate even manual backup at least. But if that doesn't bother you, then Craft is a great app to try. Let us know what you think about Craft in the comments below. Is it an app that you're using? If you're already using it, what are you using it for? Would love to know. We hope you guys found this video useful. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you, fantastic human, for watching. See you in the next video.